Alright, welcome back to Decode Traders Hub. I don't know, hope you guys are having a good morning. Yes, good morning to everyone watching from where you're watching us from. This is Decode Traders Hub, and it is done here, taking you through the analysis today. So just hang in there as we get into it. Those who joining us for the first time, thank you for joining. Those who have been joining in, our usual team, please go ahead and if you like, still it is your choice. If you can, go ahead and share to as many friends as you can as we try to grow the community of traders together. So before we get into our daily routine of assets, the way we analyze them, we are going to head into prayer. We first pray as usual. It's part of our routine. Pray and then later get into the analysis. So let's pray. Father, we say thank you for the beautiful morning. Thank you for your grace upon our lives, for the opportunity that is upon us to check the charts, be able to get into the market, and be able to see opportunities that we can take advantage of and be able to actually get these signals and turn them into profitable opportunities to us. We say thank you so much for these opportunities, and we know that today we are making money as it is our last day of analysis. As we get into the weekend, we give you praise and we love you. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. So wherever you are, I believe you are having a good time. So good morning once again to everyone. So let's now head over to our daily routine. Let's head over to our daily routine, how we analyze every day. So we start as always with crash 500. Crash 500. All right, so let's see how did we yesterday understand why. I think it is going to, yes, it is now rectified. All right, so crash 500. So crash 500 yesterday, let me go to HM15. This was a trade here, right here, the buy to there. So I don't know if you guys took it. This buy here was the buy. Then I entered the sell, but it took me out. But then I had a sniper entry for the sell that I was waiting for, just like I told you, those who remember, that the buy, then the sell to come in like that. Yeah, so that was the sell I was looking at. But let me show you, that was the buy, took that money, and it took my sell here. It took my stop loss there as I had tried to sell. Once I saw this, I tried to enter from here, but it came against me and took my money. But later on I got a sniper entry right there for a sell, and I sold it until it found my SL in profits and took me out. But still you can see that the sell is still going on as we planned. Those who remember, we said the sell is coming all the way down below right here. Why are we looking at that? Because that is the weekly trend line that is we are going to be aiming at. So weekly we are selling, daily we are selling. H4 we will be getting into a short buy, but clearly it is now already also showing us sell. Why are we looking at sells? This, as if this was not that major breakout, you can see clearly there. And the other reason why we are actually selling is we have a change of character right here. Let me see, yeah, right there. That is a change of character right there. yeah, we had a breakout here. This was, you can take this as a break of structure right there. But then after breaking, it came and it gave us a change of character, meaning we are shifting. Our previous lower high has been broken. Higher low has been broken. Now we are heading to sell. So all we want now is to see a breakout right here. Once we see a breakout right here, that will be a confirmed continuation of a sale, even according to H4. So of course on daily that was never a breakout. So looking at daily, we are following daily time frame, we know that we are selling big time. That is a break of structure there. We test, go there to make a higher low, a lower high right there, and then come in with a full swing to give us a new lower low, probably right here or even down below here. So we are waiting on that. Do we have an entry today? Not at all, not until we see a pullback. So all I can do is try to do something like that. Right there. Just have this as a proper line, and then and look at that. Yeah, that is a low. That is a low right there. Alright, so if we have that there, then we know that the continuation is on. Wait for a retracement around those areas, and then you enter your sell to right there. So that's what I can't wait for today. That is on crash 500. I'm not going to do a lot of things, but I will wait for this. Once this retest happens, starts, I can even enter that short buy as a retest trade, and then as I wait for that sell, just like how we did here. This was a retest. We took advantage of that buy trade, and then later on entered a sell. Well, that was a big sell. It's still going on as we speak. All right, so that is it as far as crash 500 is concerned. Now let's head over to boom 1000. Boom 1000. I don't know if I shared the signal, but yeah, the trade happened just like we wanted. I believe so. Let me check. We first rename this boom 1000. Boom 1000. So boom 1000. Let's start from daily. So daily, we wanted this sell, then later on come in. Exactly, that's what we started with. That's what we saw. So at first I wanted that, but later on I saw that consolidation, which so this never came through. What came through is after this consolidation was a breakout. So I was capitalizing on this trade, but after doing that, going on this, I saw that it was actually going with the mover that I wanted, this very move to reach to this very support level. That's why I kept in. So this trade led me to that. So that's why after breakout, I entered right there after that retest there. You see, yes, after that retest, you can see where I made my entry from. After that retest, this retest here, I entered, and up to now I'm still in the trade. This is my stop loss right here in the profits. So I don't know if it is going to come to my TP level right here, but yeah, if it doesn't, either way I will still be in money I mean, that is big profits right there where we are. So as of now, we have no entry at all for the sales. All we can do is wait for the buys to come in. Once we have a confirmation for the buys to start, then we can make our entries. But as far as H1 is concerned, I still see sales going on. So if sales are still going on, M15 is a bit weird, is a bit showing us, is somehow showing us sells, I mean buys. So what do we do even in 30? So we just wait for the retracement on H1. So this retracement may come about this level right there. Yeah, this retracement. So like that, and then later on come in with that sell, just like how we want it to bring it back down below. So this will be just a retracement on H1, and of course on 15 it will be a buy, like it is, like how it's supposed to be. So what do I do here? Should I move out? I think I should. Take my profits and call it a day. Maybe close my profits right there, and I wait for something like that. But I can go to M15 and wait. Yeah, I can go to M15 and wait, because this may come through right about there. That will be a sniper entry to buy it and just wait for the profits right here. Then after reaching this level right here, I'll be coming in with a sell. Again, because H1 is still not yet overbought, meaning we are still selling, and as we are selling, H4 will be coming to retracement level right here on the 0% of CCI, which is our retracement level. Once we reach that, that means buys are going to be coming in, and I believe by the time it does that, we shall have reached this very support level, just like how we want it. Yeah, I think that's it. That's as clear as that. Now we wait to see if we will, if our plan will be followed. Once it is followed, then there's no reason why we won't make money today. But kudos to everyone that made money on this asset and Crash 500. Congrats to you. Now let's head over to Boom 500. Boom 500. Now Boom 500, I believe, is a buy where I just, let me first change the name right here. Boom 500. Boom 500. I believe it is a buy. Boom 500. Why do I think it is a buy? This is now a support level right there. That is a support level right there. Now, if it is a support level, it touched overbought here, never touched oversold there. So it means I should enter my buy right here, put my stop loss just there, and aim at this very level right there. I think, yeah, just there. I don't have to be greedy. I can take that only. When we look at M15, this can be taken out. We follow that. If we are following that, then I can look for profit just about that level right there. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Although although on H1 we're supposed to be selling. Yeah, we're supposed to be selling. So this is going to be a short kind of buy according to M15. And now the most reason why I've entered a buy there is because of the support, and of course facilitated or also triggered by the double bottom right here. This one here, this is a double bottom right here. So that's why I've chosen to make my entry as soon as possible right there immediately, not waiting. The other reason, the third reason, or the third confirmation for the buy was price never touched the overbought. It touched oversold, went for the buys, never touched overbought, came down below, and now it has given us a double bottom, which can now signify buys to come in strongly. But for your own sakes, not to risk a lot like me, you can wait for something like that, a breakout there, or you wait and see if it will try to push for price to touch this trend line below here. Yeah, there's a possibility of price to try to push price to reach the trend line down below, then come in with a buy. There's that possibility, but I've taken advantage. I've chosen to enter here because of the support. So there's a possibility of price pushing to this very trend line. If it does not do it, then you may not get an entry until it breaks this level and retests it. Then you can make your short entry. Breakout, then retest probably down below or just around that area, then you make your entry like that. So you have this or that, and then come in. Those are your two ways to make an entry here, unlike me where I've entered from. I hope that is very clear for you guys. And now allow me to head to another asset. Let me check. How are you doing, guys? All right. So we now go to V25-1S. The V25-1S. V25-1S. I think did I make money yesterday on V25? I did, and then I missed to close my profits, and they were taken again. Let me check. Yeah, I took my first ones. I took one here. These ones failed to close, and they were taken right there. So I recovered on this very level, but again it was a stop loss taken out, but it continued to sell. Even right now it is still selling, just like how we wanted. Remember yesterday's analysis was pull back there, then come in with a sell. So let's look at what happened on the pullback. Yeah, pullback there, reached there, it even exceeded it, and then came in with a sell. So of course the sell was very confirmed right here when we saw that change of character there. That's where the sell was confirmed. So I made my entry just after that, and then I failed to close earlier, took my profits, took me out on SL in profits, but then later on it continued. So that's how yesterday happened. So for now I can delete that. I can I can delete that, delete even this, no longer necessary, delete this, and this can stay because it is yeah, it can't stay because we are looking at coming to this level right here. Why that level? Why that level? We'll see about that. We'll see, but I have a feeling because this is a lower low, a previous low, so that is an order block right here. So that's why. That's the reason why. So we will see price will actually react on this very level. So for now, it hasn't broken out on this level. So according to page 4, sales are not yet confirmed. Yeah, you need to understand that. Why are they not yet confirmed? Because the previous higher low is not yet taken out. This is a previous higher low right here. It's not yet taken out. Once it is taken out, then the sales are on. They are on even to bring us all the way to this other support level. So for now, it's a no-go for me. I'm not risking any money on this asset until now I have a confirmation on H4. V75. Now the sales are on, I believe, but not yet confirmed. Not yet confirmed. Those who remember, I'd say yesterday I said we would enter sales if we had a confirmation of a breakout here. Of course, we know how we enter this breakout, then retest, then we make an entry, but the retest went ahead and actually broke structure right there to give us a new higher high currently. So which means we never saw a breakout. This was never a clear breakout. If you go to H4, it is just a creation of a new lower high, higher low, I mean, a new higher low. Yeah. So if that's the case, then we know that price has reached that level. Has it touched the trend line? Not yet. But according to H1, we want it to touch and actually give us a confirmation probably on CCI that sales have started. So as far as we are concerned, the buy is still on. We missed an entry right here for the buy when it gave us that, and I have a feeling for this very level right there. Why that level? Because this is the same as that. Wait, yeah, that this one here. This one here is the same as, has to be the same as that. Yeah, that is the reason why. That is the reason why. So we'll be looking for such a move like that. This is going to be a continuation. Why? Because this is a channel. In higher time frame like weekly, it will be just a what? It will be like a flag. But on daily, it is not a flag. It is more of a channel. Yeah, which is a bearish channel. If you want to, to confirm it. So that will be a bearish, a bullish channel. And now we'll be waiting for the breakout. So for now, this is going to be a no-go for me, unless if I have a pullback. Unless if I have a pullback to enter buys. Sales are not yet confirmed on H1. neither they confirmed on H4, so only probably they may be confirmed on M15, and which they will be having low momentum. So this is just a no-go for me, not risking at all. I'll just wait for that pullback to come through. Probably this will come to this. Yeah, a sell may come to that right here. This sell, then the buys come in again. So for now, once I know this on H1, I can easily go to M15. Now wait for the confirmation of the sell. Price hasn't gone even below my 10 MS, so all I do is wait for the confirmation. Once I have a confirmation to enter my sells, then I will enter sells with caution, knowing that the general trend is a buy. So I'll be trading as just a retracement or a pullback. And once I have an entry, we'll enter right there and apply a tight stop loss or apply proper risk management. V50, this has no momentum. It's still a no-go. Like I told you, it is still a no-go for now. We are looking for sales, but we cannot enter sales unless, wait a minute. I think we can now. Why? What has changed? This has changed. This right there, that is a change of character right there. Price has now come back to this level here. Let me check on M15 if it is confirming yet. Not really, so it is still going down below, so we can wait for price to reach this level. Once price reaches that level, then I believe you will have your buy entries. Yeah, then I believe you will have your buy entries. But before we think of those, let's look at what trend lines are telling us right here. Trend lines are giving us a range. They're giving us a range right here. So it means there is a possibility of the sales to come all the way to this trend line. That is for sure. So knowing that, that means I can wait. There's a possibility of price going all the way to this very trend line. So once I know that, I can either sell it. Do I have a confirmation? No, I wait for a pullback. Now that we've reached the retracement level on CCI, I wait for something like that. Then I make my sell entry. Either there, bring me there, or to bring me right here. So two opportunities that you can make your trade right here. Why am I looking for a pullback there? Is because according to CCI, I've seen that it has reached the 0%. So I anticipate a pullback. If it doesn't have enough momentum, then it will give me the pullback. But if it is still having enough momentum for the sales, we may not see the pullback. So now we wait. That is V50 for us right there. That is what I see. You guys may be seeing something else. You can share it so that we can be on the same page. But as far as I'm concerned, and as far as V50 is concerned, that's what I'm seeing as a person. Jump 25. Did I even name jump 50? I forgot to change the names since boom 500. Wow, sorry guys. So jump 25, jump 25. I forgot to change names. I hope it won't affect you guys. So jump 25. We made money right here. The only problem is where we wanted to make money from, we never came through. Like here on this, we thought we wanted this pullback then coming in the sell, but it never happened. It actually came all the way down here. This is where I took advantage from, right on that level. Let me show you the reason why I had that. That is the reason why. So it reacted from that level there. It reacted. I made my entry. I made my entry right there. Price came back and took my SL in profits. Then later on, it continued up to now. We are still in the buy. We are still in the buy, just like you see there. So now it is going to try to reach that level, probably because that's a fair value gap, and then come in with a sell. But according to H4, according to H4, we are not going to actually react from that level. We are going to actually continue the buy. So knowing that, I can delete all this. We can delete all this, and now look for. Now let me show you the reason why this pullback happened. Because of this order block right here. Now, the trick with order blocks is price will always return to an order block, a major order block. What are major order blocks? Major order blocks are those order blocks that give you an imbalance or that leave a fair value gap, that push for high momentum moves, like such a move. So this last sell candle triggered this very move. Most orders happened here and they triggered for this move that left this fair value gap right here. So that is a major, this is a major order block, and that's why price always returns to it. It has to mitigate. It has to mitigate all that. So this order block has now been mitigated right here. It's just a touch. You can see it was just a touch. So the buy is continuing. Now those who have big accounts, you can enter your buy right there and just put your stop loss just below right here. Why? Because price is headed to all the way up there now that it mitigated this level right here. So you need to know this. This trade can take this is H4. This trade can take another week to reach there. You need to understand that, or depending on the momentum, it can take some more other days to reach that level. So, but as far as H4 is concerned, the buy is still on. So I hope you guys have noticed that, have gotten that, and that's what we normally go for. All right. So having said that, your entry, you can wait for an entry on M15. On M15, when you see a pullback, and of course a pullback is coming in according to H1, but where is it going to come back to? Not sure at all, because I don't see a level that it may come back to. That's why I've decided to make my entry on H4. So until I have a breakout right here, I don't see a pullback at all. I don't see a pullback at all. Probably lower time frame more than like M5 or something else, but on M15 I'm not seeing it. On H1 I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Yeah, I'm just wait. Whatever happens right here, I will continue with what I've gone with on H4, where I have my stop loss right there. Price is above my 10 MA, so I'm looking for profits just above there. Alright, so that is jump 25. So jump 10 as our last asset. Jump 10 as our last asset. Jump 10. Now, jump 10, let me see. Our analysis was within here. We were looking for continuation of a sell, but it took me out on sales in profits, I think, when I sold it. So for me now, it has gone, I mean, for what we can see now, it has gone ahead there to give us some sort of breakout. It is going to be a fake breakout. Yeah, it is a fake breakout right there. So it has decided to just come back there. And then because of what I'm seeing, let me see, H4, not yet. We may still see one more buy candle there according to H4, even though on H1 the sale should be on. Yeah, even though on H1 the sale should be on. So what do? I can wait, but knowing the schedule that I have after this meeting, after this session, I may not be able to come back and check charts. So all I do is I can put my sell right here and bring my stop loss. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Bring my stop loss, just what is not happening. Bring my stop loss just above there, and I'll put another sell unit just right there. Now that's all I need, like that. Then I'll be looking for my TP right here. My TP right here. That's what I'll be looking for. I'll be looking for that as a TP. So that's it for me on jump 10. The sale has to come through, because this is a rising wedge. It has to first try to respect this structure of a rising flag, and then later on come in with a buy. Later on, once it reaches such levels, then we should be able to see buys coming again. Why? Because daily we're supposed to be buying, weekly we're supposed to be selling. So we will be coming in with daily and H4, because daily and H4, the trend is a buy, is an uptrend. So we'll be looking for that. later on, or after price respecting this structure of a rising wedge. I think that's it for me today. Let's now do a recap and we call it a day. Let's do a recap, then we call it a day. So we started from crash 500. We started from crash 500, and just like I told you, I would wait for something like that, a pullback like that. This is M15. M15 is still showing momentum to buy. Let's look at H4. H4 we still need to sell. So do we enter? Sales now? Let's see. It's tricky. It's tricky. H1 is selling, H4 is buying, but daily it's a clear sell. So what do? We sell. Now go to M15, wait for this current candle to close. Looking at M5, you had a change of character there, of course, followed a double bottom followed by a change of character. It means price is going to come back to this very level right here, right there. So the constructor weight. So there's a possibility of this coming back right here, and then we come in the sell, the sell that we want, the sell that we want right there. So pull back, right here, and then sell. That is as far as I'm concerned, that's what I see. So put my sell limit right here. Yeah, put my sell limit right there. Put my sell limit right there. If it reaches it, then I will be activated. It will be activated right there. I think that's it for me in crash 500. I will wait for that to be activated. If they are activated and respected, we'll be seeing sales coming according to H4, H1 and V1, and of course weekly we are still selling on all those time frames. So that's what I'm waiting for. Boom 1000, same thing. Pull back there, it happened, started actually, pull back there, then coming with the sell, we continue with the sell. So we are trying to look for a lower high right there, then continue to come down below. So what do we do? Not really, we just wait. This is to wait, this is to wait. So boom 500. A pullback has started, just like how I said. Go there and then come in with a pullback. Try to reach around this level there, then come in with a buy. So all I can do is I can, in fact, enter the buy here. Don't remember. So my buy is already in big profits. But I told you guys, you can, for you to be safe, you can wait for the pull or for the breakout here. Then once you have a breakout, you wait for the pullback and enter when it retests such a level, or when it comes all the way back down below here. There's a possibility of it coming all the way back here. So you need to be patient until you have a confirmation of entry. You need to wait patiently, because it may come all the way back here to that OB. Why? Because that OB gave us this fair value gap here, and it's this move that even we saw a break of structure or a change of character. So whichever you want to call it, for now, you know what you are looking for. So all you do is wait for such a move. If you have a confirmation here for the buy entry, you make your entry. If it fails and continues to sell, then it is an automatic to come all the way right here. It may just touch it, or sometimes it may come like in between, like 50% of that order block. So you need to be ready on to make that decision to enter. So that is it. As far as I'm concerned, I'm in profits already, and I'm not going to bring my SL into profits now until this pullback is done. Once the pullback is done, then I will bring my SL into profits. Yeah, that is boom 500. Those who were with me and entered, congrats on the trade. You can close if you know you put your target already. So if you entered like 4 times or 3 times, you should have hit your target as we speak. This is already this. It has already hit a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, 1 to 2 right there. That was a 1 to 2, perfect 1 to 2 right there according to risk to reward ratio. For B25, this was a no-go until we have a breakout on this very move right here. B75, I'd say that the buy is still on, so we wait for the sell confirmation to come in, and then we enter a buy once we reach this level. So for now, it's a no-go until we have a confirmation, probably CCI for the sell. Let me see, is it a CCI? Yeah, H1. We confirm with H1 once it is overbought. This is V50. V50, we are waiting for this kind of pullback. Yeah, so the buy is on. We are waiting for the creation of that lower high. Once it finishes to create a lower high on probably this level that I told you about, just around that, then we come in with ourselves to bring us down below here. That is V50. Jump 25. Yeah, I entered the buy on H4, but I said you can wait for confirmations for the buy on M15 so that you don't risk much. But if you have a big account, you can risk and put your stop loss down below here and wait for the trade to come through for the buy. Why are we looking for the buy? Because CCI is confirming that, and because it came to test this level right here. So that's more confirmation, enough confirmation why we are trading within the range. So it touched here, so we are looking for the trade to touch that level again. So that's why, yeah, I hope that is clear. And then lastly, we have a sell limit right here. Once it reaches there, we are anticipating sales from that level. Why? Because this is a rising rate, and the price tends to respect such structures before it comes into this other movement that we want in the long run. So respect this, then later on come in with the buy. Yeah, you need to understand that according to weekly, we'll be looking for that retracement before we come in with the sell. So this move right here may not be valid for us for a moment until it breaks this falling wedge, which is according to weekly, not even that, according to daily. and then grab liquidity probably in this fair value gap, and then later on sell, because weekly is selling, daily is buying. So according to daily, we come down here and then come in with a buy. Then later on, once we reach this level, we come in with a sell. Yeah, that's the plan of this asset. So as far as it is concerned, I'm in a sell already. But like I told you, I entered the sell because I didn't want to wait. So the easier way to do is wait, and once you see an entry for sales, which will be around that area, you enter your sales and you take it all the way down below. Let me wish you guys a good day. I hope you've had a great time. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be able to respond to them. And of course, the January, the Feb mentorship class is on. Registration has started for the Feb mentorship class. So those who are interested, you can contact me. The number is there. The number is right there. But if you still if it is still hard for you to copy, you can go to the channel itself. On the description of the channel, there's a link on the description of the channel. I don't know how I can show it to you. Let me see if I can be able to show it to you. Can I? Let me see right here. I think I can't show it to you. There's a link. You just click on it, it will bring you directly to my inbox, WhatsApp inbox. Yeah, it will bring you directly to my WhatsApp inbox. Let's see about this YouTube. Got this. Channel. Okay. Yeah, so let me show it to you. Then put here picture. So right here, if you can see that, that is a link. This is a link you can click in, and it will be able to take you to my my WhatsApp directly. So if you have an issue to copy the number, you just can click right here, and it will be able to take you to my WhatsApp. All right. So I hope you've seen all that. I hope that is helpful for you guys. But otherwise, I just want to remind you, the mentorship class is on. Those who want, you just do that, just like I told you. Otherwise, let me wish you guys a good day, happy trading day, and happy weekend. See you guys Monday as we get back on our daily analysis to make more money this year. Happy trading, happy weekend. See you guys.